Well, yes, I don't know about my main cow say they are for pledge me or my hini kwabna sante me Alexi Boam me edichu mwamu sa papa bi me a brew me odine ho amai hini papa bi yamfo hini me goso hini you know that's our capital me Yakubu Chipsa me Alisco P me Anapua FM adwumayefo nyina me obi bia oye afoni bia na odi atoa so na wa hyebo se enioma edi animonyam enioma edi mpuntu enioma edi yedi enioma eye papa ehya afo animonyam ana obedwene ho de biada na wa pledge so se obehye hafo ase you are not bigger than a hafo say the bia obehye Ghana so ase because you are not bigger than Ghana. It is important to be a proud Ahafonian and be a proud Ghanaian too as well. So that's the pledge. Ufre Hafa and Marinfi. Be a proud Ahafonian and also be a proud Ghanaian. It's very, very important. Makacho sa adiwe bribia da ye de kai ho. Nti se o baby a free biano so no. You definitely have to do same and don't forget say baby a free biano. You'll be proud that you are coming from a year that a biaonum. So be a proud Ahafonian is important and a proud Ghanaian. Every also say a try and common also one say my main guy will say in paying for Atnasi. Chairman Kukufu Atnasi sounds so Fred Agbanyo and so Atnasi. Anytime Fred Agbanyo is here, the people of Sal because of Kaino, he continuously has made Sal a priority. Nti brain so say akwenye base ye kope obi agina Sal mpeso aso honoma. No other better person than Fred Agbanyo. And as a moment to me, agina sa ekuna no odi nkunim de esefata ni mpuntu a esefata eni yidi esefata ebebresa Ebusuakona. Some of us now are joining Fred Agbanyo to ask questions like why and how is this continuously Asia IT said the needed agencies no ebubu enuya ego masum. It's very worrying. Very, very worrying because I have na ye take constituency back to nchen na ABC na nkan fire comment here say that and then no development in the region. We cannot just by our word and we just our mouth always be talking Sal, na eko Sal, na eko Sal. And yet, if you be there, Tihani Kaka Sal. When the right thing needs to be done, you know, I don't know, but it's very worrying and with impunity. The relevant bodies that are supposed to ensure CSRD because it's like all kind of more. If we all don't join forces to fight for this good cause for Ghana, when it gets to your turn, we'll be able to retreat. Fred, good morning.
Come on, good morning.
We usually say be very come on.
There be any many come. Antiminya kama kra na ejina ya adwen sanka Ghana de democracy na de adwuma na democracy ne fa pempa ne rule of law say ye be treat all national citizens equally according to the law say discriminate against obia say ye mra pon constitution at all material time and no na ye bibia ne fa pem ai de be adwuma. Then question man e be bu no say obi adwen obi emotions obi ne be boam ne emboa me ene de be bu o man den na Ghana constitution nyina o nkwade betime to aba now we electoral commission to letter their prayer on the eve of elections of 2020 e say there be monto aba no only presidential mu wi a make the constitution amam na mo yi obi e be gina mo enem e parliament na be sinne na be azanya bia o peni ni kure mu and be easy for no and they just on their own they do what they like, you know. And see Omana Gasano sometimes now dream come na SFM as if we have become secondary citizens within our own country. You know, it's last week, a few weeks ago, I was saying, say, even DC, Crass, you created a district new year, you appointed DC. Okay, you might one day, and no free. We have since buried them and still, we've not been able to replace the DC. We are even said DC is not the head of DISEC. This is the president's representative. Development because when now he is the one that is sending affairs. Basically, for whatever reason, only God in heaven knows. NTDC umfamba MPI yenibi obia edin obia tiada efo obia ho. Na question me bisa na eya ya mafo bi ya, but it's a reality. Assume say camera say our obisa ye. Eye somewhere in Ashanti region. And as asim yesia anka by now o metina to mgreti esa constituency no. Eye eastern region na asim sia anka by now anka Nkreti region. The constituency no. Eye bia Bono region, any part of the Bono region anka Nkreti. And why should anybody think say where the OT region where the ya ebe favor binti. So your family manufacturing chain with impunity and disrespect. Now I am in Yakuma, Godfrey Damino, I got in Parliament, I can't no pebia, and that's with impunity. You know, and it's sad. More especially when at this time, Ghana, we are supposed to have, you know, a human rights activist. We are supposed to have a lawyer of very high repute as a president of Ghana. And it let me boo boom rasosa. And let me yen a pesa or be a for boning divamobia. You know, but Ogo cancer and I say men can be anything. Now come now, even so this as there because I can answer. Yes, and go for a yellow lobby and liquid. Yeah, because I advocate because I bet now no pay no. And now my pledge or share development they are called or half and I'm a boy. Yeah. And since I'm me free region, be an free district, be an free Kubiso. Me that journey, me pa boy said, me so be na me so ama Maria house no. I am apeja ko enim. E memu be nya adwuma ye. Ya kwan ye betumi afisi. Ma me for your hospital your schools. I was telling somebody a few days ago. Akwafu Odomi GSS now on camera. From Akwafu Odomi to Ohwe by road it's barely 7 minutes drive, 8 minutes drive. Because school hall somewhere a month ago, headmaster and HM is a primary school from class 1 to 6, almost only 220 teachers per. Two. GS is more or less 4. I'm telling you. When I go come as my mom. When I go push it for baby.
How many figurehead be here?
When I go baby mom. What you say now when you now go can't koche ya kwanye na koche hospital schools. Bibi anko so. Na so yes man kan yedin. O kan bia yedin. Abanim ne oye, abanim ne. Besi da ban. Come now. You know I know hard dream bebre and etua onyo kwa so etua dua. But hona bi no betime bisa.
Okay, thank you, Fred Agbanyo.
But bi so ha me, we dey bribe me kra make asem. And say mo so amoye journalist for nyina no. Including wo kwa magazine so no. Mo ka na Ghana e wo bibia e wo ne o. Nya twume doso Ghana too much. Ni kwere ho yenka. Na asem we ba me nya kwenka wa asem da. Se yeti o mai mu. Ye nyina ye be ma yeti a. Obi atimi living a life the way open no. Ba se abayi we betumi aba bonten. Abayi allegation. Se one omampani e wo bibi ye. No no free Canada ba Ghana. Also to kwan they call Lome. Na ebi akofa national security for their staging armed robbery against the woman. But if the allegation the lady may say to go by, led by the president himself and the national security of the country, and all of us are quiet and watching.
Oh no, we have not been quiet.
How do you mean? I've not heard you on this.
I think that my position.
I've not heard you on this.
My position has.
And I know that you would have said some other time.
No.
I'm telling you the truth.
No, Wadaroma.
I'm telling you the truth. It's not proper.
No, Wadaroma.
In a democracy.
No, Wadaroma. I'm saying that some of us we've made our positions clear, and if you want me to repeat that position that we've made it clear, I'll do so.
I am not too sure your viewers have heard your position.
Let me just look into the camera. Then they say. When you say nobody is an authority on morality, that's a big problem for us as a country. We have standards. And I keep saying that that's why, as journalists, we have standards. As lawyers, we have standards. As whatever you do, we have standards. If the standards are falling, it's incumbent on us to talk about the standards falling. Obi bianso obinya kwenya. na di to me bia eye ni munyam hye ebe ma akonwa bia obetina so no who say you are not a normal person again. So usu no ban ne wana montu bia no e say o ma nipa nyina hu say edanso. When you fall below the standards, we have the right to criticize. So indeed, I'm happy you are using the conditional clause if indeed our national security apparatus, this is the job you are assigned to. Said the Obano so kekano. Said none na ekoso dia. One, Jubilee House to speak to this matter. Two, is way below the standards that we are setting for ourselves as a country. I've said this time, or countless have said it. It is a national security for Juma we are assigned to do. If that is the case, it's shameful to the state, dangerous for me, anyone. If we don't kill it off, it is a worry. Again, the issue about nobody is an authority when it comes to matters of morality. And I said, and as a pope, and a Roman father with two and a mom, there is no problem for that. We have standards. Let's go by those standards. And let's not always think that today, because we are here, this is right, tomorrow this is wrong. There's a principle. That principle is that so this is not good, because it's not a good standard for us as Ghanaians and for us as public office holders, including journalists. This position is so clear that I don't know why maybe only we have two tables.
No, but I emphasized that the morality aspect is not made the
yeah.
No matter what can be.
Yeah.
Na nyo nipa ne de. Enti oko anajo. Na esa roba ba attack you. Not knowing say on my na stage.
Yeah, but that's dangerous.
You know, that's dangerous for all of us. That is dangerous for all of us.
Well, I expect that the National Security Authority
and they are all quiet
will rather respond to this matter because the institution name has popped up. But I expect that the Jubilee House will find a way to respond to these matters because the name has popped up. So you cannot say we are quiet because we are not talking about this, but maybe you've not had time to. Lawyer Kukufu, Chairman Kukufu, good morning. Sorry, sir, good for Abenyo. Premier to us.
Good morning, Kwame.
Bibia Iboko there.
Of Adotias,
yeah. I don't know if yeah, sorry. Now, my a bit disappointed.
Yeah.
So, if you feel about the topic about.
Not necessarily, but sometimes there's not at all, but sometimes.
Sometimes we wait him there.
No. It's not topic about.
Now, Fred, the person about discuss Kufuor. The person about discuss president.
Okay.
We will go there.
Let's go ahead, Honorable.
We will go there. I had no problem when it was SAL. SAL, yes. Community, okay. Now then you jump into a BI allegation at your president.
You attacked journalists.
No. Remember. What TNE? Or Papa no the journalists or the mobile. Onim baby or attack ko. Onim the all kako. Listen, here, this campaign I be. See when you be corner, you go there. But Matthew, I was so happy. Said we should be dealing with issues. Governance issues. If you have problem with morality and something, let us discuss it properly. But not when I no pay yasoriaba. Na machire and say, then you decide to put in something and so that we follow you and go there. Me, I'm not going to follow you to SAL. I'm not going to follow you to SAL. You have every right. Me mitifie na me show na mitia. I'm so happy with Ahafo advocacy. I like it. Because unyame buaona unyanyina suobia baby a free very important and people must see you say nyawunko na adwene wo ho. So if Fred is so passionate about issues many problem what you say wa kan afi o say na ayi abaka so manpanini o me so you want o manpanini to come today now or no decide
the agencies
you have gone to court. Listen to me. You are in court on this matter.
No,
this matter, this sad thing. Please, I listened to you and you said all that you wanted. The matter is in court. Also making mention of Attorney General, Minister of Justice. Also, and my junior brother Odame go to Parliament and tell us all kind of things. What do you say? Or Attorney General, a Minister of Justice, and a responsibility to defend any state institution within a court. So the matter is in court, whether it's done with or not, I do not know. But to say, so man penny or men on country and on cabby, or man penny near no sorry, not on intervening, not on your input, interfere with state institution at Jumana. I will not follow you there. This dear and let's deal with it. The next time you want us to deal with morality and moral issues, we will go.
So at least you've said what you want to say.
Can I have 1 minute on this? I think, sir, Honorable Gofu Antina Mekanasi.
I mean, because you came with your own questions and then you started running and then you wanted to run the president out because I know they are catching us.
No,
but you are sitting here insulting the integrity and of the president.
I am only saying
you are in somebody. You are maligning national security. You are sitting here.
Am I the one with allegation against them?
Okay, so
you are maligning the national security
against our president. Somebody allegation against our national security. And today they have not spoken.
Go to court on that. Go to court on that. You want the president to respond to anything that anybody says? Please, if that is what you want to
do. You've drawn my attention to the fact that even allowing these private topics is something that is very strange. This is sometimes, but my friend, again, he made the point that also you have nothing to say about the SAL. 2, he attacked journalists, including myself. That's why I'm a man responsible. If you disagree, say, or a personal or another motive, maybe I mean you're privy to that. I'm sorry, I am not privy to that motive. No.
Yeah, you may not, but I am. And the viewers and listeners know the tangent he wanted to go. He came this morning purposely to attack the integrity of the president. And you will not be allowed to go back. Very fair. But you sat here and you spoke to that. You spoke to that. And you want the president to the president to come and respond to every single allegation somebody makes.
This is not just every. This is not just every allegation. If
you think this woman has a case, go to court. Go to the police and make a complaint. You don't sit on social media and all these manner of things and you expect
morality. Me, it's not my concern.
You expect us to respond to that.
The state apparatus.
The state apparatus go to court on that. Summon them before, sue them. Sue the state apparatus. Let the state apparatus come and answer the question.
I'm not for their own perception about it. I see, Honorable, this is not an issue we should just sweep under the carpet. We should not be emotional about it.
Well,
all of us are Ghanaians.
And all of us must show concern. If this is the platform, if this is the proper platform to do, if this is the proper platform, then
what other platform do I have?
But don't you have this? We came for this. Don't you know?
Fred, yeah, what draw attention to that? Let's just go back.
Now I come. You see. I don't know why. Anytime, me call baby, me am them topic beban. Ayahwe, bon say host to TZ baby. Kwamna that's it. Bon say be environmental issue be na bibi aba.
No the call.
No akwakofa abom. Obetumi abusa na Bantamati say Ashanti region. And no you go to town.
Which really I was going to do with the wound to me on they know because Intel picked Nanope Makan is that Bambofo anye o se ni paro so se siri ukaka Bambofo anye do mo ho a ebe wi echi no nyoma be koso Ashanti mante
anya no kre
that's what I want to hear
anya no kre. If you want to hear that, meet me at Kanwasem.
Yeah, what's happening there?
What is
There's
happening?
too much tension there.
No.
I don't know. I can't be no.
No. You see, he has invited. You see, that's the point I'm raising. That's the point I'm raising. When
as a matter of fact, I wanted to ask that question. Yes, sir. This is only problem. But you attacked me afterwards. Okay, so Chairman, quickly on this one, I am ready.
Where the invitation to treat? Yeah, true. If you are Ashanti, there is no tension.
Okay, good.
Absolutely.
Good.
Absolutely. Yeah, people can manufacture, but I mean, kind of craving show. When I'm secretary to the committee.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the election committee.
Okay.
Simon Onsemensa, Honorable Regional Minister, Honorable Chairman to the committee. And then National Council define who and who are to be on the committee. One, parliamentary caucus, Omu chairman and a rep. Two, regional patrons, council of patrons, Omu president, Omu chairman and Omu rep. Council of elders or region, Omu rep. An elderly woman, regional election and research officer, IT, regional IT officer, and 2 representatives from national. And 2 representatives from national, me, Kukufu secretary, and then the chairman, Simon Semensa. We constitute. We need motive that. The forms fee, national by nomination forms. National forms na abano is there. Ya tenase ya open, ya send a circular release ako baby ya. Ubia to me pick a form. So if we can now but now for party headquarters now for nomination form valid. What now fear now office now download a 1PP website and now only social media platform now download forms and nomination form valid. Ubia entry 1 CD for forms. Nobody has custody over forms. Nomination forms. O Philip Bibia na complete area over committee na nim na their submission. You pay submission fee or filing fee. The chairman category, that is the vice, first vice, second vice, and chairman. You pay 5,000 Ghana cedis. All other positions 2,000 Ghana cedis. Ya je ni amount receipt ni a stamp. Ni a chrewo da ye vetting. In this case, you are proposed to do vetting tomorrow. We are closing nominations today, 6 p.m. You close you be vetting no ochina. That is 18th May. You vetting we are allowed 2 days. And no National Council and the other. Se be a vetting results ni be generate some kind confusion, of and you're confusing. And many decision. You can
use your 2 days no. To appeal and rectify where necessary.
You don't appeal to we at region. You appeal to national. Honorable Dambuchena or your appeals committee and the chairperson. Don't make a find out. And no pahwan. Then a fair ni more a fair you candidates. Now they are hopefuls. What is submission about forms about you become an aspirant. Who go through a vetting now also see now.
We're hopeful.
No, we are candidates. And no now picture any with dini a ballot papers.
So as we speak now, how many aspirants for the chairmanship?
For about 5, but one an aspirant, hopeful about 5.
Yeah.
By close of day, and you be who aspirant. Until after vetting tomorrow, and you be who candidates.
Both chairman. No team.
But the speculation going at nothing. Where Mammy Castle. Not any kakeke. When Crawford you form so bad, nominate they will be meeting committee, you know, and yet you completely satisfied with the arrangements going on, system going on. In any case, Upia or Haubia, our doors are open, completely opened.
Okay.
I've spoken on countless stations, media stations, explaining these issues. Regional Minister Sebe Onye Akwadasa, Professor Ade Mensah, our representative Council of patrons Onya Akwada, Mame Oba Penina, Yadena Kahon, Mrs. Atiemu, just and then also DCs, one dean on penning also our committee. We are open, transparent, and we are regional minister catch and say yeah, more committees nina ubi office or personal interest or any position be you free because you don't belong to this committee.
Okay.
And to be said.
So it's good for that's what my this
yes. Anna yes I'm kratawe.
Okay.
So also
conduct of regional executive elections and related matters.
Yeah.
Okay.
It is also submitted completed forms now. Your ma we be. Your team na the do's and the don'ts kinkani na.
What with the do's and don'ts?
Yes, you don't fall foul to any.
Enye husa.
Debbie.
Asaribedi akun enye husa.
Oh, Debbie.
Enye husa.
Debbie.
Untume enye husa.
Debbie.
Omu ne kusi akai.
O nyina afre me kra.
Okay.
For you know, be afraid of the Kwame Damasi said the Moya no con. Now, one rumor mongers in the Ombaba. I for enterprise. This will be our tribe in confusing.
So the time we should
the time in the battle, you bubu my prayer because the cabinet secretary that I have a friend and I'm so me one better than it. Me one cocoa food. Secretary me pay nomination for the said they use him free food.
Fred, yeah, brought back to your conversation.
Me will now so ada.
The submissions.
Me can't share.
They are cost.
Me can't share.
I don't pay what bus with a different.
Me can't share.
No,
me can't share.
That's also.
So
in the situation in Kumasi,
me can't say. Oh, now say. Oh, now honestly, me can't share.
And one kind. One kind. Me can't share. Because me good hobby.
Me can't share.
Otherwise, we wouldn't have a good.
Me can't share.
That's because on casa. Because
me can't share. Because me hobby.
Because I know what to bet.
And I may say,
oh, mammy, who
now say, wada.
I don't know you see.
Now, the Bob and I knew that. I don't know. Say, who me actually? It is just I know.
And then me share the world order. Now, who share, you know, no matter cost to us to go follow. In Brazil, for instance, matters relating to wheat. Any 3 square meal. In India, matters relating to wheat and oil. In France, same. Germany. In fact, baby, one might say, yeah, my own team to a more bag, you know, and all those things. And the cost of living and food items, you know, following the world. I think there's a report. I've forgotten. Yeah, something. I'll get back to that report. My only concern is that on my Ghana and Ankasa, our preparedness and readiness for some of these, because we fall too much and rely too much on these things. How do we start also adjusting to the realities that we need to now start doing a lot of things on our own? So there are some of the shocks in the world. Because anybody want a PM outside that a premier because of our reliance on these things. How do we get away gradually from some of these things?
Ojamidi ni come I know you. Nim sani a woka wadwene. Na o kire o ne mafa. Wa ma ahwefo ne atiefo nyina hu se that objectivity na wo mu no eye adwuma. Nchepi anana ye ka se ahokire aba wiase nyina bi aka Ghana.
It's getting severe.
Enye yenko. Wiase ama ma nyina na eba. Now you say you see better from America. Now Germany cooking oil. Ultimately talk 1 liter no 2 was shop. Germany as we speak today. My cousin or a taxi driver now filling a car no about 50 euros.
It's worse now.
Now it's 120. Now I'm so I can say Mrs. I was a better na shocks no. You bet me. COVID-19 no mem ni wiase nyina ye hu. The prediction was say Africa be would to say once na.
Yesterday that was the prediction that a competency Africa, sub-Saharan Africa.
The be would to say once na. Yes sir. E ba ya COVID-19 and to na nsem nyina ye hu o me wu say once na. Na yehunu nhyehyɛ a homegrown solution ye ne ankasa ye ho ye mfa ye locality said ye na ye mfa ne mamu akwam ne anya. At that time I was a bit kakra but na yenso ye nuan ma wo opposition they were so hard on government on this COVID issue and mo be about that obi kura say president too plan na akofa COVID aba and all that and mo be about that no and mo ntu bodem and mo anyi say and e be wu and ya ni nyina president tie na sopem no ne mpanifo de ne egu akwam 1 edrum pempenso bia afa wi asese the whole world mpanifo atimi manage COVID the power with the whole world. President Akufo-Addo eka ho bi Ghana ye ka ho bi and yes ye huna mane ye nipa bi ewu ebinuma yare ada ho a hometense se kebasa Now so what the tutua mama be dear one was sika no more very very sophisticated healthcare systems. Vaccines you man a the hospitals you more the papa and in Bibia now a dread full shortage. Mitia ye kakra if you say me a student of international politics, a student of defense and international politics. Our Ghana Armed Forces Command and Staff College, Professor Vladimir Chidansu, on Dr. Emmanuel Major General Kutianum Nempenifuaka Nechreade. So we are following this not on academics, but on daily basis, a year critical, a year practical. And if you should ask me, I devote more than 40 minutes every morning to cross-check across the world. And now me can say, me say, young moment kasi any back. You're complaining of fuel price. And kwa chika creating 1982. 82, the revolution days, these days, 82, 83, 84, 85. Those were the times that Ghana to the extent say dokno kra dokno no obo dokno no onya moye no na ugina ho ma mi gina ho de chense koje
yellow corn kwara na no ho asem.
Yes, banchi bi ba akotro banchi.
Yeah.
Udia na busuafo no mawu.
Yeah.
O manyimu petrol o car just oko park in a filling station for 2 weeks e futuro. Utranya o meba na ya 2 battery. Me can we in practical because my papa owned 3 filling stations, BP. Songo Police Station, Abripo Junction, Bantama, and then Abuabu #1. And the petrol crisis. Today we are talking about fuel prices. Number one day. Come on, young Sirinyame. Ni ankosa or how ne sounds with him.
Who should have one by a din?
Say we are seeing now fair petrol no cry and mampo na kutesika.
When you be at all.
What to be? Those were the times, sir. Now you top petrol 1 gallon, 10 times the price. Now what top 10 times the price, you know? Ube pesa wo di biba kwa kusie na adu kusie no susu eja akoshe no na wonu fie no obusue nyina so mahye. Eno hunsu sanso na that's America. Fuel shortage of America there. Because America releases reserves 1 million barrels every day. Joe Biden about 2-3 months ago. Yet America is experiencing fuel crisis. Now, Ediane, planting for food and jobs. Matisse binomi kwame operation feed yourself.
Champo.
Pia metnase na mekaya na makaya papa ne se anya hwe kra no odi bibi dua yemu se dua de wankasa obedi. And it helped a lot. And memo anane mayan bebrede o ma hunu. Nti ye kan say na yenso yanyere ye ho muda ubofu madaroma. Ya yenkoye chikakra. Yenka sansem yi no mu. Ebra planting for food and jobs by. It is not say ayeyi ananye. It is about say awakening the conscience of the nation. Ya twi adwena sisu se hu behia se yemfa bibi nhye fom. Ne mfifi mra. And I can tell you, interventions are a bass abred. And no abua kushin or how are you woman to a very large with himself for some reasons. Nanka a moon test ya Ghana for nya for a moon. You see perfume rice and one. What do you say gradually a cough? I will give you the statistics. And there COVID-19 time, na president it is still with us. And you go to restaurants and people are asking for apem, bayere, nyadua, stew, kontomre. And then as you speak today, and then me no ka say, nkrofo ye more interested wo kokwa ya tutun. Bayira ya tutun ne nkatie. Dan senka normally okwa kugina de ya friend abrofu duane ho ahwan ne. Enti importers be ka kire container 40 footer 20 footer container omo crania mania dia ba senka na 5,000 kwamna is about 25,000 5 times double that. Na yebekọ ahokyere kasiem saa na nsusuye ne tie. Anu nti de obusa yi die na yebeye solutions ni de ni. Mama for once yentra se ni ehu se ye waste aduane wo ya fie mu dodo. Me corporate e ka ho bi. Mpaya he ana ya fie mu ye be wi aduane mama be wi aduane papa ne nkwala be didi na ebi nka na yen kotum. Mpaya he waste a lot. The next door neighbor or dakom anase street na wo fa so na wo ba wo fie no uhunu nipa de da nchen a omo dakom bibia nkan ya gen say spirit bi na be hye mu during lockdown na ye free ye pem free afie mu ye nuane de be mankro sankrofo na ne mu aduane om da ho nyesa lockdown ko enti om ko. They are there suffering silently. Enuti ye wi aduane no na ye ne bebre ne bika yen kaya foforo. But do we even need see e be ye aduane bebre ama biaka enti say a family of 5 enti yen timi calculate hu se we ye betimi adi awie na bia we ye di she fridge mu na de achi a ya toa so anase aye ni se enti 1 you waste aduane. 2 ye title niema ehun se de hia ye pii for a moment.
Okay, ye be ko hono so but this say be the embassy Fred is so be. Oh, okay. Maybe Fred might be interested by going straight to the topics and also contribute to this world economic order, no, the expectations of hardships ahead, or maybe during know how to sustain independently.
Kamara, Ghana any island to itself. We are part of the global order. And there's globalization. I must say we are saying na ayekete. Enti bibi tu nyonko a wan hwe ne ya ebeka obi because we are interrelating, we are trading among ourselves, we are doing all manner of things among ourselves. Enti sampampa se yare bia ba a affect we are saying na whichever way ebe affect Ghana so se kon because ne e wo Russia and Ukraine now it's affecting economies across the globe. Naturally, it may affect Ghana economy soon too. But the question should be asking ourselves is say, in Pempeso as Ghana, can we confidently, truthfully, looking up to God in heaven, and say, near cost war Ukraine, any Russia, and now yare COVID na will be a one as a nation. Do we have to blame? Come now, do you have to blame external force for all our woes when all of us know the contribution role you play as a nation? I'll give you a few statistics just about inflation. Then I'll come back to the substantive point I want to make. Over Africa, we are too quick. We want to compare that to America, to Germany, to England. Even one state in America, their economy is bigger than the whole of Ghana. So such comparison, don't even start them in the first place. Now, sub-region, Oko Kenya, as we speak today, our inflation is 6.1%. Oko Nigeria, our neighbors were higher, 16.1%. Oko Liberia, our more free war in Cherry 11.81%. Oko Togo, how we are Togo, our inflation is 2.5%. Oko Ivory Coast. On my economy, my penina na kufuado. On my on site all the time. Their inflation today as we speak 5.9%. Burkina Faso, just by Paga here, 2.6%. Ghana's inflation rate is 23.6%. Ghana's inflation rate, you can't inflation now. The rate at which Nyama bo ekosro ewo kronim. And you be Togo for COVID affect you. Ukraine, Russia are affected more. 2.5%. Burkina Faso is affected more. And my boss and you so. Come on, see. Up until say you better take responsibility. Say as a people, you have to 2 years and nothing na ejina be ejina ne. I be cause to delude ourselves. to want to, cry the same cry that people out there are crying and making it look as though we did everything right. But the external forces that are having impact on our economy as we are today, we are going to be in a major problem. COVID by camera. Sika yenya as a result of COVID. IMF enquire 2 billion USD. World Bank over 500 million. Your stability fund equate about 20 billion. World Bank, Bank of Ghana, Sika, through the Ministry of Information, we are put to corporate Ghana over 35 billion Ghana cedis. Oman Peniko Jina Parliament of the National Address, followed by the Minister of Finance budget. Omunina Kasa Sika spend a year as a result of budget, barely 18 billion. And 35 billion. No one spending 18 billion on COVID-related issues, some of which cannot even account for. Adriania see my month for the close at 3 weeks. Look at the figures they are churning out. No smart CAA. Look at the figures they are mentioning. Parliament accounting for COVID expenditure, how you spend the money. They are not ready to do it. And 35 billion, you spend 18 billion. Sky with 3. So how then do you return and blame everything on COVID? Kamra, Oko America, the total population of people who are in the agriculture sector about 4%. In Europe, it's about 3%. Ghana here, more than 66% of our Ghanaian workforce, we are in the agriculture sector. Yet we cannot produce and feed ourselves. The issue has nothing to do with COVID and ban as COVID in Baye. They are not lazy people. The environment, the conducive environment that governments upon governments in Ghana are supposed to create for the farmers so that farming will become more attractive, will become more rewarding, is what we have refused to do. Go to the farms. Post-harvest losses. Tomatoes bar. We don't have storage facilities. You need a best store. I'm for churches who are no fault of theirs. Unam na watermelon ba unam afla okwan we so egugu fem afọ 30 so is it wastage? What environment have we created as a state? Yeah, the fact that go see us say yeah process it to some juice and yeah maybe have we done any of those things? But body ba na come marketer a breeze and a pro.
So the 1G1F project was good.
Kamra, you see everything that we dream about and we think about in Ghana on paper, it is so beautiful, it is so good. But when it comes to implementation, maybe no, you see, on paper it is beautiful. Practically on the, you see, when you do this thing, when you talk about Ghana, and you go and cite a Kofu free juice, no. Now I say, watermelon, Joseph Yamin, happy birthday, Joseph Yamin. Happy birthday, come on, Joseph Yamin. And this one says, Omahene, good morning. Please tell Omar that we, the people of SAL, are grateful for his support, time, and his commitment for the party. We will also compensate him during the primaries and the general elections to represent us. Once again, we are grateful. Please read this one for me from Francis Lulubi. Okay, so Francis, good morning. Thank you. So also kind friend like Banyo so also deserve because a lot of these things none of they are to light. And so Joseph Yamin, wa muni ni mwadarama. O say ninuya mechiane pa yi na mehunu na ache. Onko so no.
Cameron said me ba birthday.
Oh,
Henry Osei Kokofu.
Henry Osei Kokofu.
Yeah, a medical student.
Or tech ana.
Yeah, yes.
So Henry
many of us Henry.
Unia man paying for in answer Kahobi. Henry
Cook.
Hey, serious. Now say Bakuko, say Bako exit field because we'll be a fast agenico.
Oh, coffee, and then not respect you, or so a shell crew.
Okay, so we are back to our conversation. We're wrapping up. Say,
Kwamra me na me kan say. Hwe. Ye nyina ampasa manyo sem na eyo. But when it comes to issue of food, Kwamra, health, like agriculture, health, education nyama we nyina ho. Yen kan wansem as Ghana for.
Yes.
Yen kan wansem as Ghana for.
Yes.
Nature sometimes this obey your man be free me say. It will take a political decision.
Yes.
To do it
to change
it. Yeah.
Game changer. Political decision. It will take a political decision to change it. It's about leadership.
Yeah.
It's about willingness to do it. Community of Agriculture website. Fish are we or Ghana have more than 55% the credit from Maneriba.
Fisheries.
I'm telling you.
Website.
I'm telling you. More than 55% of the fish we consume in Ghana, if you never.
Fish, no.
Fish in Kwagade. Akoko,
yes, they import more than 85%
of the fish we consume in this country. Sugar, you can want to say rice, a more studio Accra, say the more the go Accra, a more be free. Mimicro Macpafulo, lobby Liqueria, Ejuma Yana Mojuma. But the poor woman who is a farmer, and now do you cattle as a whole. How many acres of land can they tell? Come on,
you watch farms and farmers in Brazil. You are amazed.
I'm telling you. Come on, you are amazed.
You see, I agree. I agree.
Global propaganda. I'm telling you. Global propaganda. I'm telling you.
Against Brazil.
Yes. They can never go angry. Go and check Brazil what they've done.
Because Brazil what they've done.
They can never go angry over.
Now, come do information. I can't tell you what you're going to crown.
Global propaganda. To get a certain attention. And make way for people to make money.
I'm saying be a do propaganda. France
be facing really.
Germany.
In fact, your catch was no Niribush in Ampa.
OGD. Germany is
Mama Yamiase. Pencil the Abedui. Bibia, yes, said the Eshushano.
Exactly.
Nemo, who should be Biase. Now, what Dina could do, baby? Who can say, we say, name the power of it. Who say, Kugofu, multimidi, near my assistant, my bapa, na implementation. Bakwamna sanity, Bibia Shassi. You're a Jay for share National Health Insurance. Now you seniority. You know, I'm free parliament. Share school feeding program. They say, don't you
say just an ATO. What cut at us are only a parliament. The whole of last year, National Health Insurance Canamogiano, only 6% was
school feeding. You're a for school feeding, you are for the banana problems. Any free SHS. How near the now SSS a double track. Yes, I bet almost a double track in the home. And no schools, you know, secondary schools now, infrastructure, was school, woman, and then or how near I would say, will be my for a sortie. A castle or mine betting your sustain. Your attitude. Yeah, attitude. Ye peniama ye craba or meimu ye called the no
leadership.
Leadership never more go to South
Africa. South Africa.
Nano.
Really?
Nano Fred. Nano Fred. Not Bisano Fred.
Oh, yeah, Fred are not cracker the South Africa. You have to take to another South Africa country, one of those countries.
Go and register.
Na
beer keke. Na Fred no Mubisa Henneken. wa bra club beer.
Now, this is the local propaganda. Oh, the local propaganda. Oh, local propaganda.
Local beer. ABC ni club that is one.
Henneken never just over here. Go town. Because say
on wa football
particularly is a man around that. And you see say Tadia Shemien, African Coty,
with the Europe,
and I make
executive one.
And I make Remy Coty. We are Otoye. We improve economy no one. Crash now and now Baba or Pomatadi. The Jumacoso. Mimi Coty.
Clecker.
Oh,
Clecker. Oh, Clecker designer power. Clecker always legon. If you under bridge now, Kwabum said, well, okay.
Oh, yeah, better man.
Make free. It's legon.
Madam Copa, make just set back
underground.
Comrade
Clecker.
Comrade, I say, TT. I say, much Robbie number.
For 2 Ghana man for
oh, promote local business.
What you say? And not answer Yami. Just set back.
What is that, Paul? I appreciate you so much.
Share we are say.
Yes, very beautiful.
Just said. But
incredibly,
yes.
Yes. Oh wow.
Just say Bruni bia be hu ya. Enti mo ma ya ni nyi ya ye.
Mama clear take your measurement.
So clear
0555 555
0555
95 74 36. So click Mr.
055. Now my good discount. Now my addition so said we see a pam the pepper.
Good.
Anna, I feel my more Fred Abasubio said what me I can di one district one factory in Wadansepa. Now, because what's that? You need money.
That's what you said.
What did I say?
What you said? Yeah, Jimmy Ghana. That's what you said.
Yes,
Jimmy Ghana.
Yes.
We said. So mine 3 years. That's the setting. Tomatoes guru message.
I am disappointed.
I am shocked.
This local propaganda. This is local propaganda.